The Char-Broil Classic Gas Grill has all the features you need for a great tasting cookout, and all at an affordable price. No matches are needed with a piezo igniter. You can light all your burners with a simple push of a button. The stainless steel burners provide an even heat across the cooking surface. Porcelain-coated heat tents protect the burners and keep the heat focused where it should be, on your food. The durable porcelain coating on the cooking grates make them rust-resistant and easy to clean. With the Char-Broil Classic series, choose from 2, 3, and 4 burner options to suit all your grilling needs. The wide metal side shelves give you ample preparation space, and optional side burners are perfect for warming sauces and side dishes. And they're built to last with durable steel frame construction and large wheels that make it easy to move and store. With a 5-year burner warranty, you can feel confident preparing great tasting meals for the long haul. The Char-Broil Classic Gas Grill is a smart and affordable choice to get your next cookout started. New Char-Broil Performance Gas Grills feature a sleek design, long-term durability, and quality cooking performance. The stainless steel burners can be easily adjusted to deliver high heat or low temperatures and emit flame from the top for even cooking and added durability. Simply push the electronic ignition to light your burners. Keep track of the preheat status and monitor the inside temperature of your grill. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates ensure heat retention, are rust-resistant, and easy to clean. The removable porcelain-coated grease pan is easy to clean and resists wear and tear. Char-Broil Performance Gas Grills are available in styles and sizes to meet any budget. Durably constructed, choose from a cart or cabinet. And with 2, 4, 5, and 6 burner grills available, you can count on good times and great tasting food. Made to last, Char-Broil Performance Gas Grills are a durable and stylish choice for all your grilling needs.
And here's why it's so simple to use this grill. We're going to show you some B-roll too of some friends out hanging and grilling and things like that. You've got a collapsible wheel stand, lightweight construction there. You can really pick a spot anywhere, everywhere, pop up the grill, fire it up. Really easy breezy there. And then you got 2 independent adjustable burners, which is nice. Yep. And then you've got the dueling side tables here, so it's going to make meal prep really easy. So it's nice to have a table for your burgers, your hot dogs, whatevs, your veggies, and then for your utensils. Right. Firing up the grill right there. There are some of our Amazonians having fun. Where was the invite, y'all? Get in there, Mikey.
Oh,
I'm
Rachel,
pretty sure
look.
that's Jamie. Good one, girl.